I wanted to really talk about source and spirit. So it's important for us, in order to understand God, to realize God is, in a sense, two beings, but still one being. And there's no way that any of us would ever be able to say or prove that it's two beings more than one being. So source and spirit are our Holy Grandfather, Sacred Grandfather, and our Sacred Grandmother. Source and spirit always were. There's no way to explain this as far as ego is concerned, or three-dimensional thought, how source and spirit could always be and were always there. And they were originally in the higher realms, which is the one true home that all of us have ever known. Now, there's no way to explain this or to logically make any sense to it as far as the ego or a mortal mind is concerned, because the higher realms always were, and source and spirit always were. And there's something so mysterious about source and spirit. Source is our sacred grandfather, and source is the essence of the light that shines forever, that guards and protects the higher realms from any sort of darkness. And spirit is our sacred grandmother, who protects the higher realms and is really the voice of it, the consciousness of it, the essence of it as well, and is really always looking after the higher realms and all of us souls. So there is just a deed that is so much more than any of us could imagine that source and spirit go through in order to really bring us to salvation, which is more than any of us could understand. And what we're supposed to be doing in this life is really showing our appreciation to source and spirit, because that is our one true God, is source and spirit together as one. They were never apart, and they were never separate, and no one and nothing, not the ego or anything, is able to ever prove it. And it's so much more important than anything that we all as people come into awareness that we are beings of light that are created by the light that shines from source forever. And our one true home is the higher realms, for which spirit, who is the essence and consciousness of the higher realms, is always there to guide and protect us. And it's just more important than anything in this life that we just acknowledge this, come into awareness of this, and really show our appreciation for this and how special it is, and just to spread that around to everyone and everywhere we go in life. That is what is important. So peace.